everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Kia Seltos, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the side panel, and then this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it gives it a different look and it also matches the two-tone color of the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, all you need is water and baby shampoo mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and just start removing any contaminants that the panels may have. And then once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel and it doesn't get damaged in case there is some water residue left over. So we need it clean and dry before you do the installation. So we're going to start with the front piece of the panel. So with this one, all you need to do is align this section of the film right on the edge here, and using the lower section of the panel as the guide to align it until you reach it here. And then once we're done aligning it, we will then tack it down with our squeegee. Make sure we remove any air bubbles that are trapped behind the film. Once we remove it and tack it down completely, we're going to apply heat all around the panel. That way the film starts to mold to the panel, and then we will see what is excess material and we will trim that off and then apply heat one more time. And then once we're done, the same steps that were done here, we will rinse and repeat to the rear door. So the same steps that were done on that side, you basically rinse and repeat to this end. So just make sure tacking down on one end, align it on the edge, use the lower section as the guide to align it, tack it down with squeegee, apply heat, then trim off excess material, and then apply heat to finish it off. So now that we finished the two pieces in the front, now we're going to focus on the last piece. So with this one, just align it to the edge here and make sure to give yourself just a little bit of excess material to cover the edge here, and then everything else should fall into place like that. Lift this here and tack it down. So it should be like that. Make sure when you squeegee around here, take your time because you don't want to accidentally crease the film as you're tacking it down. So just take your time and make sure everything stays flat. So just focus on tacking it down, removing all the air. And if you're having trouble tacking it down, then apply heat to help release the tension. So here, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat because of the curve to help it tack down. So apply heat, let the film cool down, and just help it tack down with your finger. Now that we applied heat and the whole panel is tacked down, now we could trim off the extra material we don't need. Create the outline with your finger to get an idea. Go ahead and trim off excess material. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation for the side panel is to post-heat the entire section that we just installed. So all you need is your heat gun, and you're just going to take your time helping the film tack down, and also we're helping the adhesive on the film activate faster. So just take your time as you're going all over the panel, and once you're done with this process, you'll be done with the whole installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete for the 2021 Kia Seltos. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.